Welcome back to another Microsoft Flight Simulator landing challenge. My name is Yaro and I help take the mystery out of the aviation industry. This is a clip from a landing during one of my live streams on Twitch and YouTube. That will hopefully help you with your landings in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Let's jump right in. Can Boeing 737 spin or is it like fly-by-wire? No, the Boeing is still the old traditional control, so there's still cables and wires that lead to actuators, so it's not fly-by-wire like the Airbus at all. The cable doesn't run the whole length of the airplane to each control, but there are still cables. But to answer your question, yes, any airplane can be rolled. Or spin. Oh, you mean spin like a... I mean, it's not advisable. The forces are... It's not really designed for... It's not tested either. I mean, you could probably do this in the simulator, no problems, but in real life, obviously, you'll have bigger issues. I mean, it's not like the movie Flight where you can invert the airplane and then fly level inverted. That was a little bit of a stretch, I think. They took the liberty with aerodynamics because our wings are not like aerobatic wings. The contour is designed to have positive lift on top and negative on the bottom, and you just can't fly it upside down. But I'm not a test pilot, so we can do one more notch of flaps. Yep, here we go. That'll bleed the speed off. I don't know if I have to set the reverse thruster on this quite correctly. It didn't really work this first landing. So we'll just try to use brakes. Yeah, see, it doesn't want to kick in the reverse for some reason. Oh well. We don't have any issues slowing down anyway.
When fruit's first in your favorite snack, there is possibility.
We did it. We got an A. That one guy looped and rolled a Q400 in Seattle just fine. I mean, yeah, planes can be rolled. An airplane's an airplane. To do a roll, yes, but you don't want to do stalls and spins on those kind of planes. So hopefully this gameplay will help you nail your landings in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Follow me on Twitch and YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.